How to set any particular music that you have stored in your mobile device as an alarm ringtone. So hey guys, welcome to this tutorial. In this tutorial I'll be guiding you through the steps on how you can set any particular song as alarm. So in order to start, the first thing that you will need to do is find the clock of your Android device. So you might see an interface that says clock, so simply click onto this clock, and in the clock you will need to navigate to the alarm section. Now within the alarm section you can try to click onto these three dots and click edit, and you can select any alarm, but the setting is not here. So let's try setting up an alarm. So let's say I've set up this alarm, so I'm gonna click onto this, and now from here I can change the ringtone by clicking onto this ringtone option. So click onto this ringtone option and click allow. Now once you will do this, you can see this custom option at the bottom, and from here it says on this device. So choose on this device and choose any of the music that you would like. So for example, let's say I will be going with this music. It will also give you a preview, and then you can simply go back, and now you can see that the ringtone for this alarm has been successfully changed. So that was all for this tutorial. Thanks for watching and have a nice day.